1 tablespoon for healthy tomatoes. It replaces a million other fertilizers. It is a versatile product that has also found use in gardening, especially in tomato cultivation. It can be used as a natural remedy against fungal diseases. Just dissolve 1 teaspoon in a liter of water or 2 large tablespoons in 5 liters of water and spray the tomato leaves with this solution. Regular use of this spray helps prevent the development of powdery mildew and other fungal diseases. It is also effective in controlling pests. It repels insects and protects tomatoes from their attacks. In addition, it improves the pH of the soil, which promotes better plant growth. You can also sprinkle a small amount around the base of the plants to improve soil quality and reduce weed growth. With these simple baking soda tricks, your tomatoes will be healthier and more resistant to diseases and pests. It fights aphids, spider mites, and other pests. Spraying with it is the secret to healthy tomatoes. It creates a layer on the plant's surface that makes it difficult for insects to breathe and move, leading to their elimination. I know how to prepare and use this natural remedy. All you need is natural soap. It's eco-friendly and cheap. Preparing the spray takes just a moment. You need 1 liter of water and 20 grams of natural soap. Dissolve the soap in warm water, then pour it into a spray bottle. The solution doesn't harm plants but kills pests. Apply it to tomato leaves, both on top and underneath. Remember to do this early in the morning or late in the afternoon. Use it regularly every 8 days. This will keep your tomatoes in great condition. This method is popular among gardeners who value natural solutions. It's eco-friendly, safe, and effectively protects against pests. It protects tomatoes from fungal and bacterial diseases and is mainly used as a disinfectant for tomatoes. Its properties help destroy pathogens on the plant's surface, preventing infections. Additionally, it can improve soil aeration, which benefits the plant's roots. Just spend a few minutes and you won't believe the results. It's usually diluted with water at a ratio of 1 to 10, meaning 1 part 3% hydrogen peroxide to 10 parts water. 100 milliliters of hydrogen peroxide is enough for 1 liter of water. Hydrogen peroxide not only fights fungi and bacteria, but also helps plants grow better and produce more fruit. Mix the solution well and spray it on the tomato leaves. It's best to do this in the morning or late afternoon to avoid the intense sun. Regular use every 2 weeks will keep your tomatoes healthy all season long. This is an eco-friendly and safe solution for both your plants and the environment. From this, you will make the strongest natural remedy for tomatoes. It will ensure your tomatoes are healthy and beautiful. Diseases will disappear immediately. If you want lush and juicy tomatoes, be sure to stay with me. We start by preparing our ingredients. Pour 100 milliliters of warm water and 100 milliliters of milk into a jug. Then add 1 tablespoon of baking soda and 1 tablespoon of garlic. This combination will help fight fungi and pests. The next step is to add half a teaspoon of turmeric and a pinch of ground cloves and cinnamon. These spices have antibacterial properties and boost the plant's immunity. To make the mixture even more effective, add a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Finally, add a pinch of dried nettle, which acts as a natural fertilizer. Mix all the ingredients thoroughly, then strain the mixture through a sieve to remove larger pieces. Dilute the ready liquid with water. Now you can regularly spray your tomatoes every 10 days to protect them from diseases and pests. Remember to do this early in the morning or late in the afternoon to avoid burning the leaves from the sun. Try this natural mixture and see how your tomatoes grow healthy and strong. Tomatoes, cucumbers, and even peppers won't get sick if you spray them with this solution. Sudden temperature changes don't have a good effect on vegetables grown in the garden, as they can lead to various fungal diseases. Therefore, it's important to regularly protect tomatoes and cucumbers. Milk helps combat many pathogens and fungi, and some pests cannot digest lactose. This means that milk also helps protect crops from insects that can damage your yield. To prepare a preventive spray, Use a glass of milk for about 2 liters of water. If you want to prepare more of the mixture, pour a whole liter of milk into 9 liters of water. If the tomatoes or cucumbers are already diseased, use a higher concentration. Use a sprayer to apply the mixture to tomatoes, cucumbers, and even peppers or potatoes. Milk leaves a protective layer on the plants, preventing various pathogens from penetrating. This spray should be applied regularly, several times during the season. Remember, the best milk for spraying is raw milk, which also has additional nutritional benefits for the plants.
This fertilizer will double the tomato yields. They will be healthy and strong, and you will harvest them in full buckets. Just water them with this natural mixture. Tomatoes are an easy target for diseases and fungi, so spraying is necessary during cultivation. If you're not a fan of chemical substances, this recipe will certainly come in handy. We use it for tomato seedlings planted in the ground. Despite their popularity, tomatoes are very sensitive to weather conditions. They are prone to diseases, especially fungi, when the air and soil are very humid. Therefore, yeast, which are good fungi themselves, will be a very effective spray. To prepare the spray, we need 2 packages of dried yeast, around 10 grams in total. Then we add a tablespoon of white sugar to them. Dissolve the entire mixture in 1 liter of warm water. Mix thoroughly and let it dissolve. After 20 minutes, the spray will be ready for use. Water tomatoes seedlings with the yeast mixture once a week. The yeast spray is used preventively to strengthen plant immunity and protect them from dangerous fungal diseases. Yeast creates a natural barrier on the surface of stems and leaves while promoting plant growth. By colonizing the leaves, yeast displaces harmful microorganisms, thereby protecting plants from the development of many diseases, including fungal ones. Fresh yeast spray is also a proven and inexpensive way to protect tomato crops from diseases transmitted by pests, including aphids. Using yeast spray reduces the risk of disease occurrence, and when applied to already infected plants, it displaces harmful microorganisms by competing for the nutrients necessary for disease-causing fungi. The high effectiveness of the baker's yeast solution is attributed to magnesium, iron, zinc, potassium, selenium, calcium, phosphorus, chromium, amino acids, proteins, and B-group vitamins. Such yeast spray is inexpensive to prepare, and its components are remarkably effective. Let us know in the comments if you have already used this method. If you like our tips, please leave a like and subscribe. We publish new videos every day.